trusts, always hopes, always perseveres.
And as we continue, at this point, I would like to ask if there's anyone present here who, for any just reason, feels that Stephanie and Rick should not be married. Please, at this point, speak now or forever hold your peace.
Can I say something? Can I say something? Am I allowed to? Because I don't think you're right. First of all, weddings is an archaic, barbaric institution. Marriage, and you're starting to like it in the whole time. I'm a taxpayer. My transit dollars are being spent on this charade. This is not supposed to be ashamed of yourself.
Shut up! Shut up! Who the hell are you? Is he from your side of the family? This is just like somebody from your side of the family.
Our side of the family is doing shit not to get married here. This is a public place.
Don't mess up their neck.
This is a wedding. I don't know. I'm not quite sure if this is a valid hand or not. You know the bride.
No, I don't know. I'm a commuter. I pay my $2 a trip.